Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today we are going to make a project on the topic review carousel. Basically, we are going to make a website which is going to produce the reviews for certain people. We are going to see how does this website looks. It's a very fun project actually. You are going to see how this website will work. We are working on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You will be seeing the basic components of the project and you will get to know the gist behind the project. So let's have a look at the requirements first. You require a text editor where you're going to write your code. VS Code as a text editor is suggested for a better experience. Secondly, you require an operating system. You may use any operating system as per your choice, but the recommended ones which I use is Windows 10. This project is based on HTML, CSS and JavaScript, which I've already mentioned. And the requirement analysis of this project includes index.html, script.javascript, style.css and bootstrap. So basically what we have done here is we have created a front end website where people have reviews for a certain set of people, and based on those reviews we are going to see if this person is good in this domain or not, because reviews and feedbacks are very important in today's world, right? Because when you are seeing a positive review of someone, you're going to have a build a trust on that person or on that product. Not only on that person, see in the Amazon or any other marketplace, you buy that product which has like above 4 reviews. You see the ratings. So this review carousel acts like a rating parameter basically. So what we will see first, we will see the output. See, this is our website, front end website. We have a tab our reviews, and here there's a person called Vincent Wilson, which is entrepreneur, and it's written here excellent solution for file sharing and e-signatures. Then let's move to the next. This person, he's an engineer. This person, she's a graphic designer, and this person, she's a front end developer. This person is a lawyer, and we have 5 people and 5 certain type of reviews are present here. These sliders, if you click on this surprise me, the structure or the people arrangement changes. It becomes very like what you call rudimentary. You do not know what is going to come next. So when you press surprise me, see it comes to front end developer. Again, when I click, it comes to graphic designer. So there is no particular order in which the people are going to be presented when you click on surprise me. Understood, right? Now let's move to the code and we'll see how does this project work, what it has in store for us. First and foremost, we have the images 2, 3, 4, and 5. Random images, not intentional. Then let's move to index.html. First, doc type HTML, then the head tag. Then we have those meta tags. Then there is a title tag called reviews. Let's see reviews. Viewer. Review. Save it. Refresh. See, it changes. The title changes to reviews viewer. First it was only reviews. Understood? Then we have the styles of section where we have the relative link called style sheet and the href is styles.cs. Then we have the icons set. Those icons which we use. So we got this from the Google, like from the Google we took a URL and we have pasted here. This is the script source. Then we have the fonts. Fonts also taken directly from Google. No need to cut. If you not want to use the default fonts, then you can generate fonts from Google. There is lots and lots of fonts in Google. So this is the link which I pasted. Then comes the body tag. In the body tag, we have a main tag where basically we have the title. Title of the body, not title of the page. Title of the page was this, which we changed right now. Reviews viewer. This is the title of the body. It is written our reviews. Let's change it to reviews. Let's see what changes here. This. So, great, good going. Then, This is the underline part is mentioned here. This underline. Okay. The color and stuff we're going to see next. Then there is a review card. This is a card. Basically, in the website language, this is called a card. This block is called a card. It looks like a card, right? The deck of card which you use. Then the section. What is a section? Section is basically the separation, the boundary which is dividing two particular thing. It is called section. In a school, you are divided into multiple sections. 10A, 10B. A and B terms are called sections. So, ID we have given as reviews presentation. Name we have given Halliburton. You can change it. Then image, you took it from this source, image source. If this images will not be loaded, suppose, let me delete this. Now what I'll see is, say, I forgot the image. I did not put the image. And if the image is not mentioned, I got it again. If the image source is not there, then the alternate changes to portrait of a woman smiling at camera. So that place will be left blank and the portrait will be mentioned here. This did not work out here because these are inline. We have selected the images and I have not cut the ID. That's why. Then the job is lawyer. You can change it. Opinion. What is the opinion of the people? Best portal for files, billing and communication with clients. Then there are certain buttons. In the buttons, again we have the button previous and button next. What is that? This is the button previous. This is the button next. Completely functional. Then we have a random button. What is a random button? That is surprise me. So see. Okay. After Harry Burrell, we have Vincent Wilson. Okay. See, Harry Burrell, Vincent Wilson. But if after Harry Burrell, I click surprise me, it comes to Clarence Donaldson. So this is basically a random button. So we have created a random button here. Then let's move to style.css. Let's see the styling, the beautiful styling which we have created. First, the body is selected, the colors are set here, the background colors, the margins are set. In the main function, we have basically the height, display, the flex direction, the justify content and align items are set. These are completely based on you. You see the website, you do not like a particular stuff, delete it. Write your own into it. Play with this. Play with certain components, you will get to know better. In the title, we have a margin of 0.5 em 00. Underline, you have a background color of this. See, how can you can play. I do not want the underline to be the color which I saw. I changed it to a orangish type something. When I refresh, it changes. See, the underline changes. Understood, right? That was a very bad color actually. Let's shift to the previous color. Holy Lord. This is better. Okay. Then you can change the height, width, margin and stuff. In the reviews again, you have a background color, you have padding, border radius, margin, max width, text alignment, everything is set. Then these are one more thing. These are basically the selectors. You are selecting the reviews component. You are selecting the name component. Only the name component is going to be changed. If you write star, then the entire template is gonna change. If you are going to change something for the whole template, select star there. Then this is a division image. Here also height, width, margin and position is set. So if you want to select a particular component of your template, then you can select it via ID, via class, via various selectors. Then these are the, this is for the before. Again, the margins, the top right, current position is set, color is set, background color is set. Depends on you, you can change also. This is for the image, the shadow part is changed here. This is for the job, like the lawyer, the entrepreneur. So this is changed. The font family, see, it is used Pattaya. You can use Poppins, anything. Depends on you. Opinion, it's work sans. Then the selection part, the background color and color changes. The buttons are basically the flex box, the content. In the button part, the background, border, outline, cursor and paddings are changed. Then this is a random button. Random button, what does it do? It basically randomizes your action. A person is not displayed according to the order of presentation. It's random, completely shuffled. Then this is the hover function, and this is the screen time, and these are the font size, height, your height and width of certain components. Now move to the JS. In the JS, you have the reviews for 5 people. The 5 people which I showed you before in the website. Those 5 people, like they're particularly modularized. They are separated. They are written in certain domains. Then what we can do a variable selection to select the DOM elements. What is DOM? It's a document object model. There are 2 types of model. One is DOM, that is document object model, and is a box object model. Then the variable of the index is set. Then this shows the review. You go to the particular review. You select a particular person, and you get to the ID of that person. You get that person. You get the review. That's how it works. Initial review, something should be loaded first. Then, because you cannot start from a random number, you have to start from 0. You have to start from a particular domain, a particular number, that is from default, that is from 0. Then this is the function of all the buttons. What does the buttons do? Previous goes to the previous, that is index minus minus, and suppose you are at index 1, previous makes it to index 0, and the next moves it to index 2. That is what? Else if index plus plus and if index minus minus. Else what? Else what you're going to do? Either if you're not going left or right, if you're not going previous or after or next, you're going to surprise me button. That is a random button. So this is a random. Random. Why into reviews.length? Because the random function basically what does it do? It selects a number between 0 and 1. So if you multiply it by reviews.length, that is 5, you get a number between 0 and 5. Then if index is less than 0, length minus 1. If index is greater than equal to reviews minus reviews.length, which is not possible, index will be set to 0. Then the show review function will be called. So I hope you understood the working of this project. For more interesting project ideas and such cool projects, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you and have a great day.